Imagine a world where someone could be certified to monitor, manage, and protect a business's IT or business system. Well, there is. It's called CISA. That is what I'll be talking about today. I will be talking about the purpose, benefits, and requirements to get your CISA. What is a CISA? A CISA is a Certified Information System Auditor, and it's issued by the Information Systems Audit and Control Association, which we're going to say for short, ISACIA, which they certify a lot of certifications, and CISA is a global standard for professionals in the information system. So, it's an international certification, which is always great. The purpose of a CISA is to make sure that IT and business systems are monitored, managed, and protected, and it sets a standard for the IT auditor's knowledge and skill for finding vulnerabilities and implementing the IT controls. Some benefits of having this certification is it gives a competitive advantage for the individual for job development and job growth. It increases the value in the individual and the company. It increases the credibility of the individual in the organization. And it's also a confirmation for the individual for their skill and expertise within the IT department. So the requirements of having for getting certified for a CISA, you have to pass the exam, you have to pass the Code of Professional Ethics, and you have to meet the work experience requirements. And after all of this and getting your certification, you have to continue your professional education. So the exam is 150 multiple choice, and it tests within the 5 job practice domains. So one of the domains is the process of auditing information system. Another is government and management of IT. The third is information system acquisition, development, and implementation. The fourth is information systems operation, maintenance, and service management. And the fifth is protection of information assets. So the exam is from a scale of 200 to 800. And in order to pass, you have to make 450 or higher. You have an option to sit in the exam in June, September, or December, wherever they're testing at, which this is a global certification, so you can find it in any country. Also, the exam is available in multiple languages, which I found very interesting. They have Korean, Spanish, French, Japanese, and Chinese Mandarin. So, the Code of Professional Ethics, I got it from this website, and this is just a summary of the codes. You cannot get your certification if you do not meet these ethics. So one of them is to support the implementation of appropriate standards and procedures. 2 is to perform duties objectively. 3 is to serve the interest of the stakeholders with high standards of character. 4 is to maintain privacy and confidentiality about the information obtained. The 5th one is to maintain competency. 6 is to inform appropriate parties of results of work performed. And the 7th is to support the professional education of stakeholders in the business. These are just a summary of the 7 codes. But if you want more detail in this website, you can find it. So the work experience, you have to have a minimum of 5 years of professional experience in information systems, auditing, control, or security. So, you can substitute those hours with to a maximum of 3 years. So, a year of information systems experience or a year of non-information systems auditing experience is equivalent to 1 year of professional experience. 60 hours of completed credit hours is equivalent to 1 year, and 120 hours is equivalent to 2 years. A master's or bachelor's degree from a university that sponsors CISA programs is equivalent to 1 year, and master's degree in information security or information technology from the CISA accredited university is equivalent to 1 year. And you can only use those substitutions for 3 years, and then the rest has to be in professional experience. So after you get your certification and you pass all of that, you have to continue your education. So you must take 20 hours of training per year and a maximum of 120 hours in 3-year period. So in conclusion, before this, I did not know of the certification, and I feel like, as most of us accounting students, we don't know all of the certifications. I feel like we should take time and look at all of that, besides a CPA or CMA, what we normally hear, and look at all the information, because there's so much that is offered to accounting besides just CPAs. And so I feel like we should be informed, and that is my conclusion: to stay aware and stay informed. These are my references, and this is the ICACA website to find more information. Thank you. Have a good day.